Good afternoon everyone. I am Suloita Mahanto from Central University of Kashmir. Today I am going to represent about appraisal services. Let's start with introduction. Appraisal service is a service that is designed to gather, analysis, utilize various personal, psychological, and social data about clients to gain a better understanding of themselves. No two individuals are alike with regard to their mental, social, and emotional development. To study these aspects regard as appraisal of that person. These methods or techniques used for the appraisal of a person are include in appraisal services. In other way, appraisal service is a procedure which is fixed to establish a distinct picture of individual by comparing them with other in terms of quality of general human characteristic. Appraisal, also known as evaluation, it focuses on making judgment and conclusion from data obtained about client after assessment. अप्राइजल हम लोगों को किसी चीज़ का जजमेंट करके कंक्लूजन में पहुंचाने में हेल्प करता है. इन दिस वे हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अप्राइजल एन एक्ट ऑफ असेसिंग समथिंग और समवन. Let's see some definition of appraisal services. According to Saka, appraisal service involve data collection, analysis, and interpretation aimed at helping the client to understand himself and also to enable his significant others to understanding him. And according to Bulls, appraisal service and as involving the use of psychometric instrument to collect information on individual as well as to enable others who are concerned about the development and welfare of those individuals to get an insight into their circumstances. Let's see techniques for studying or appraising individuals. Data could either be gathered subjectively or objectively through various appraisal techniques. Appraisal techniques are categorized into two types. One is testing technique and another is non-testing technique. Testing technique, which is also known as a standardized technique, and it includes intelligence test, achievement test, aptitude test, interest test, personality test. Another technique is non-testing techniques. It is also known as non-standardized techniques, and it involves interview, observation, case study, questionnaire, sociometric techniques, rating scale, autobiography, informal collection of information, etc. Let's show some purpose of appraisal services. There are mainly four type of primary purpose of appraisal services. These are prediction, selection, classification, evaluation. Prediction: information obtained from measurement device such as aptitude test and intelligence test can be used to make prediction about the client. These does not give a concrete picture, but they give a relatively reliable expectation of the client outcome. For example, एक स्टूडेंट का इंटेलिजेंट टेस्ट में पोर परफॉर्मेंस है, बट वो स्टूडेंट सब्जेक्ट स्कूल में बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर रहा है ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ हिज इफेक्टिव स्टडी हैबिट. Let's see selection. The second purpose of appraisal is counseling in selection. This is used especially in school. The counselor appraises the students based on previous performance to know which class will be best for them. It also used in school to select students to be admitted. Classification. Appraisal also serves the purpose of aiding classification. हायर ग्रुप नीड्स, जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट को उनके जो कैटेगरी है या फिर उनका जो इंटरेस्ट जोन है उस हिसाब से उनको क्लासिफाइड किया जाता है। इवैल्यूएशन, this is the purpose of an achievement test to give the counselor a idea how a client has transferred since they started exposing them. Without evaluation, the success or failure of a process cannot be determined. It also gives feedbacks. उसके बाद हम देखते हैं फंक्शन ऑफ अप्राइजल सर्विसेज। फंक्शन ऑफ अप्राइजल सर्विसेज इन स्कूल, इट इज़ कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू 3 important topics. One is appraisal for teacher, appraisal to teacher to gain an understanding of the achievement level of each student. Appraisal for determine where to adjust the teaching method to diagnose student with learning difficulties. स्टूडेंट को पढ़ाई लर्निंग में कहाँ पे डिफ़िकल्टीज हो रही है उसके बारे में जानने के लिए अप्राइजल का यूज होता है। टू मेजर स्टूडेंट्स अटेंडमेंट, वो कितना अटेंटिव है क्लास में, उसको जानने के लिए भी अप्राइजल का यूज होता है। सेकेंड वन आते हैं अप्राइजल टू स्कूल काउंसलर टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर क्लाइंट्स एबिलिटी, इंटरेस्ट एंड पर्सनालिटी। जो स्टूडेंट है उसका एबिलिटी क्या है, इंटरेस्ट क्या है, पर्सनालिटी क्या है, उसको जानने के लिए अप्राइजल का यूज होता है। टू प्रेडिक्ट द फ्यूचर एक्सपेक्टेशंस, helps clients with decision making, that is education and vocational, helps in diagnosis client issue to assess the success and outcome of guidance and counseling. अप्राइजल टू स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, हेल्प्स इन एजुकेशनल प्लानिंग, एजुकेशनल प्लानिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, फ्यूचर रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है उसमें हेल्प करता है। टू डिटरमाइन द स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस ऑफ द इंस्ट्रक्शनल प्रोग्राम, टू आइडेंटिफाई द सुपरविजन इज नीडेड, टू इवेलुएट द ओवरऑल इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ द स्कूल इन line with the national educational aims. Conclusion, the success of other guidance service depends on the success of the appraisal services. It must therefore the treat as an important activities. जैसे कि सबको पता है अप्राइजल एक बेसिक है जो कि सारे गाइडेंस सर्विस में यूज होता है। थैंक यू।